Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if YouTube is not working on your Samsung TV. So what you want to do is go on over to settings on your Samsung TV. So let's go to settings right here. All settings. Scroll on down until we get to support. Then go to device care. And then wait for this to load under device care. And it's checking my device. Then go to manage storage. And there's a couple things under here we can try. If you have your account on YouTube, we can try removing the account and re-adding it, or we can clear the cache. So a lot of times if we clear the cache, this will make it work. Now another thing is, if we turn off our TV and unplug it from the wall outlet for 1 minute, that fixes a lot of problems sometimes. So just try that out. Also, we can just try clearing the cache. So locate YouTube under here. Go to View Details, and then go to where it says Clear Cache and press this button. So like a recent browsing activity on YouTube, that should be cleared out. And then you can relaunch the app, and most of the time that will fix your application issues with YouTube. Now if you need to go even further, you can try clearing the data. This will remove your account from YouTube, and it'll clear all the data on here, and then you'll have to re-add your account. So you can try clearing the cache first, then try unplugging your TV from the outlet for at least a minute. If that still doesn't work, you could try clearing the data, or you can go even further by deleting it from your TV. So we can select it and then we can delete it. And then I think it's very easy to get back since it's literally a button on a remote. So otherwise we'll have to find it under the store. So let's go to OK. So YouTube is now deleted. So I can just go back to the store and re-download it. Or I think I can press this button and it'll pop it up. So yeah, go ahead and just try those methods out and see if that works for you guys. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.